Welcome to the business game. This video will give you an insight into how the game is played and the stages that teams are required to complete in order to become the winner. The winning team is the one who makes the most profit at the end of the game. Teams are decided and should consist of between 4 and 6 players. On this occasion, each team has a member of staff from KPMG who will act as a facilitator and offer the team support and advice. The game is designed to last between 2 and 3 hours. Stage 1. Each team is given handouts explaining the game. Teams have to stage a pop concert and make as much profit as possible. In this stage, students must decide a name for their team, pick 2 bands and 1 concert venue from a predetermined list. Teams are given 15 minutes to complete this. At stage 2, students must complete an income statement and need to work out the cost of staging their event. They are asked to set their ticket price at $30 and use the maximum capacity of the venue to work out their initial budget. The income statement must include all fixed and variable costs for staging the event. Teams are given 15 minutes to complete this stage. Teams can earn a bonus of $20,000 each from the finance director for the accuracy of their income statement. These are swapped between teams who mark and decide the amount of bonuses to be awarded. The finance director, who can be a colleague or a teacher at the school or college, then asks each team to explain their decision. At stage 3, each team rolls a dice to determine an outcome, which may mean a team is forced to choose a new venue and redo their income statements. Stage 4. There is an extra $100,000 up for grabs from a telecommunications company who are interested in sponsoring the event. Teams are required to put together a sponsorship proposal to present to the managing director of the telecommunications company as to why they should sponsor their event. The managing director, again this could be a colleague or a teacher at the school or college, must then decide whether to give all the money to one team or split the amount across all teams. Teams are given 10 to 15 minutes to put their proposals together, and then they have 5 minutes to make their presentation. The managing director can ask questions of each team before making their decision. In stage 5, teams are given a matrix that contains ticket prices and marketing spend for their venue. They must decide on a final ticket price while being careful not to exceed their venue's capacity to ensure they meet their expenditure and make a profit. Stage 6. Teams again have to roll a dice which could impact on their band choice and affect the revenue from ticket sales. In this example of the business game being played, KPMG takes students through what life as a trainee working for them would entail. KPMG managers across different areas of the business give an insight into working at KPMG. You may wish to approach employers in your own market to see if they would be willing to run business games in partnership with ACCA. The finale. Results of the game are given and the winning team is presented with its prize. In this case, it was a registration onto ACCA's Accelerate program. But you can decide as to the most appropriate prize to award in your region. If you would like to run the business game in your region, you can find more information and guidance on the ACCA intranet.